it was the sheriff and watching him that really showed me what the point of this movie was about.
I was sheriff of this county when I was 25 years old. Hard to believe.
The first time you watch the movie, you're very focused on Josh Brolin's character and Anton Chigurh, right? You're really focused on them. But I think when you watch it again, focus on the sheriff. And that's when the themes and everything, I think, really click for me. Is that kind of your experience too, Kyle?
One of the most important things that I try to teach my students is how you use character as theme.
Yeah.
And this is one of the absolute best examples of character as theme. And from the monologue on, he is representing the point of the movie.
I always like to hear about the old-timers. Never missed a chance to do so. You can't help but compare yourself against the old-timers. Can't help but wonder how they'd operated these times.
It's like the main character is actually chasing the story, but he's behind it. He's not confronting the violence or the story. It's confronting him. Like, it's hurting him. He can't even, like, understand it.
Papers said it was a crime of passion, but he told me there wasn't any passion to it.
In writing in general, you're not supposed to have reactive characters. Every character has a goal that they're fulfilling, but Ed Tom Bell, who ends up being the main character, is only reactive. If my students wrote that as a character, I'd be like, that's not how you write a character.
I don't know what to make of that. I surely don't.
So the whole movie feels like you're leading to the confrontation between the good and the bad.
Of course.
That's not what it's about, though. It's about Ed Tom Bell's perspective on the world.
Yeah.
I always knew you had to be willing to die to even do this job. But I don't want to push my chips forward and go out and meet something I don't understand.
The country as we know it is gone, but then as his cousin says, always been this way.
It's always been like that. Wow.
You'd have to say, okay. I'll be part of this world.